Okay, this is the textured gel coat, the damaged texture gel coat. This is the repair. See if I can get out of the shadow here. There's still a little flaw right there. Trying to get this light to where you can see this. But you can see the texture, the taped off edge. We're getting close. This portion here was taped off today, and this was part of a test run just to see if it was going to work or not. I've got a little bit of the gel coat kind of set off and it clumped out of the gun real quick, so I'll have to do some spot sanding here and there, like that little spot right there, the little clump that shut out of the gun. I'll have to do a little bit of sanding to shape that back down, but then I'll be able to go across the top of the boat. We'll clean everything down. We gave everything a sanding. There's also, looks like fiberglass resin in some spots here. Now this was dropped probably when a prior fiberglass repair was done. It'll be gel coat covering it up, because there's no way to get that out without further damaging the gel coat. So for a 52, 53-year-old boat, I say we're going to look pretty good. I would buy it. So there's where we're at today. I'll come back down later on tonight. I've got to go get a lot more acetone. And I've already used 6 gallons more. And then everything's getting taped up, and all the thin spots where it was flaked off, we'll get gel coat back on it, and we'll be finishing up the lightning and flipping her over so that we can get the bottom. So I've got to let it cure and get everything done. Wow, that's just difference between night and day. That is going to look so good. Tell you what, that is going to look so good. All right, guys, I hope I'm doing some stuff to make you happy. Thanks for viewing. Like, subscribe, and follow. Phil with Pop's Old Boats. I'm going to dinner.